Are you struggling to see significant hair growth due to not being able to retain the length of your hair? Is your hair constantly dry and you're having a hard time keeping it moisturized? Do you suffer with an itchy or irritable scalp? And are you tired of using products that contain ingredients that you don't even know what they are and what issues they may be causing? Do you constantly feel the need to wear wigs, weaves, and extensions because the health of your hair is not where you would like it to be? I can relate to every last one of those issues. You see, I struggled to achieve healthy hair and scalp for years, and after countless setbacks, many trials and errors, and years of research, I finally found the solution, and that was to eliminate all synthetic toxic ingredients completely from out of my hair care regimen. Once I did this, my hair and scalp began to flourish. So I decided that I wanted to share all what I have learned with you in order for you to achieve the same. And that's when I decided to create a completely free informational 5-part YouTube video series based off of everything I have learned and experienced. Within this series, you will learn how to build your very own holistic hair care regimen tailored uniquely to your own hair and scalp needs. You will learn how to know what works best for your hair and scalp, how to effectively track and monitor your progress, and you will learn the benefits of every single ingredient that is going to help you to achieve results. We're going to take things step by step so that by week 5, not only will you have a structured plan in place and the recipes to the products that are going to enable you to reach your healthy hair goals, but more importantly, you will have the knowledge that you are able to pass on to your children, your friends and family for generations to come. Let's say goodbye to toxic hair care practices and welcome non-toxic, healthy, holistic hair and scalp health. I am proof that holistic hair care practices work. It's time to take your own hair health into your own hands because natural hair deserves natural care. Let's get into the video. Welcome to episode 5 of Naturally Natural, because natural hair deserves natural care. No synthetic ingredients, no chemicals, and no confusion, just clarity and transparency. Greetings sis, my name is Selena, and in today's episode we are going to be talking about scalp care as well as the lock method. Now these are super important and I'm going to be giving you a recipe to help you with the health of your scalp. Now I have been using oils on my scalp for nearly 2 years now consistently. I know firsthand that I never used to be able to apply oils to my scalp, but I later found that it wasn't actually the oils that were irritating my scalp. It was actually the synthetic leave-in conditioners and the synthetic moisturizers that I was applying to my hair strands that were transferring to my scalp that were actually causing me to have scalp issues. Once I trashed those synthetic products and incorporated all natural ingredients, that's when the health of my scalp improved. And so I was then able to use my natural hair oils on my scalp, and that has helped me to grow out healthy, strong hair. So I'm going to give you a recipe today that's going to help you to achieve the same. Let's get into it. So for this scalp oil, I'm going to be using quite a few ingredients, but I swear by them all. Each ingredient has so many benefits for your hair and scalp, which is why I've been using it consistently every 2 to 3 days for nearly 2 years now, and my results have been incredible. This is the product that has allowed for my dormant follicles, which were not producing hair for many years, to start producing healthy, strong hair again. Also, from using this product on my scalp regularly, I noticed within a matter of a few weeks of using it that all of my scalp issues cleared up. I was no longer suffering with a dry and itchy scalp. There was no more inflammation, and like I said, my scalp began to produce hair in areas that were no longer growing hair. So when I tell you that this oil is gold, I kid you not. And this is the reason why I had to share this tutorial with you. Now, as I mentioned earlier in the video, back in the day when I used to apply natural oils to my scalp, I didn't get on too well with them, and I honestly believed at that time that it was the natural oils that were causing my scalp issues. It wasn't until I started doing a bit of troubleshooting when I realized that it was actually the synthetic ingredients within the products I was using on my hair that were causing all of my issues. The reason I know this is because now that I no longer use these products, and I'm talking about products such as synthetic leave-in conditioners, moisturizers, hair gels, every single scalp issue I had been suffering with totally disappeared once I stopped using the synthetic ingredients. I started incorporating natural oils back into my hair care regimen, but this time, rather than suffering with an itchy, irritable scalp, my scalp felt invigorated. My hair started to grow out thicker, stronger, and started growing in places that were once dormant. I think at this point, this was when I truly realized the power of the plant. I'm plant-based, okay, and so I already know about the amazing benefit from being on a plant-based diet, and I now understand and have proven to myself that plants also have so many benefits when applied topically as well. I mean, 2 years without relying on one single store-bought formulated synthetic product, but yet my scalp and my hair are in the best health they have ever been in my whole life. And all this is all the proof I need to continue on this holistic hair journey, and hopefully I can encourage you to do the same if you are considering replacing synthetic hair products with all natural ingredients from nature. Let me actually get into some of the benefits of each of the ingredients I'm using today within this all-natural holistic scalp oil, starting off with the hibiscus. So hibiscus contains amino acids and vitamin C, which helps strengthen hair roots and boost collagen production. It improves blood circulation to hair follicles, which can encourage faster, healthier growth. It also helps combat fungal growth and dandruff causing microbes, and it soothes irritation from scalp inflammation. Moving on to fenugreek seeds, they're like a natural hair growth booster. They help strengthen the hair from the roots, and they're amazing for soothing a dry and itchy scalp. There are so many more benefits, but if I go into every single one, trust me, we will be here all day, and that goes for all the other ingredients I'm going to be talking about as well. I'm going to keep the benefits short and sweet because they all offer so many other benefits than what I'm mentioning within this video. But please do your own research on them as well, because I want you to learn about these herbs for yourself so that you can understand the impact that they can have on the health of your hair. Let's talk about the chamomile flowers I added. This one is so calming, not just for your tea, but for your scalp too. And that actually reminds me that I've filmed a detailed video on all of the herbal teas I drink that aid in healthy body, mind, and hair. So I'll link that video below in the description. But as I was saying, chamomile can help add moisture to the scalp, combating dryness and promoting overall scalp health. It has anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties and can help promote healthy hair growth. Moving on to one of my favorite ingredients, which is neem powder. This is my go-to for keeping the scalp healthy and balanced due to its antibacterial and antifungal properties. I also added in some green tea, which is packed with antioxidants, which helps reduce shedding and keeps hair follicles healthy. And I paired it with peppermint leaves, which give that refreshing tingle and really wakes up the scalp by boosting circulation. Now, nettle and horsetail are like mineral powerhouses of this oil. They're rich in silica and sulfur, which are both great for stronger, thicker hair strands and keeping shedding under control and to a minimum, allowing you to keep more hair strands on your head. Moringa is basically a multivitamin for your hair because it's full of vitamins such as vitamin A, E and zinc, which help nourish the scalp and encourage growth. So this is why my dormant follicles were like, oh hello there, I have Awaken. Alright, so let's talk about Bring Raj. Did you know that it can help prevent premature graying? Babe, I'll be 47 soon, okay, and I do not have one grey hair on my head as of yet. I truly believe that some of the ingredients I use on my hair consistently have really delayed the graying process. I've done a detailed video about that, link below in the description for those of you who are interested. Brahmi is also great for scalp health too because it helps to keep the scalp nice and nourished because it contains saponins and flavonoids and it helps to improve blood circulation. Aloe vera powder is one of my favorite ingredients when it comes to moisture. It's so good for type 4 hair. It soothes and helps balance the scalp's pH and is perfect for keeping dryness and flaking at bay. Amla is rich in vitamin C, which supports healthy hair follicles and strengthens the hair strands. And last but not least, henna. Now, I didn't add enough in the oil to colour the hair, but just enough to help with strengthening the follicles and conditioning the scalp. I'm now going to show you how I use this oil, as well as showing you how I moisturize my hair, which is a very basic method with basic ingredients. And this method has allowed for me to retain the length of my hair over the past couple of years, as well as improving the integrity of my hair strands. My hair has been freshly washed. I've got a new thing where when I'm doing my midweek wash and conditioning routine, which by the way takes no more than like 30 minutes, I like to do it all in 4 to 8 plats, which really helps to keep tangles to a minimum when washing. I've done a detailed tutorial on how I do my quick midweek washes, which is linked below in the description. But this is what my hair is looking like without any product in it. It's nice and clean, yet my hair hasn't been stripped of all of its precious moisture. Now, I understand that there is quite a lot of information within this 5-part series, and for those of you who are new to building an all-natural holistic hair care regimen, it can be a bit overwhelming because of all of the information. So I've put together a checklist which includes a summary of the whole series. Okay, the checklist contains all of the ingredients, the measurements and instructions on how to make everything I've mentioned within this series, just to make things a little bit easier for you and to have all of the information to hand on your digital device. So click the link in the description to grab that. Today I will be using my glycerin liquid leave-in. So this product is in replacement of a traditional formulated leave-in conditioner, and I'm spraying this on both my scalp and hair strands. There are a number of different liquid leave-in hairsprays that I like to use on my hair dependent upon my hair needs at the time. This spray is quite moisturizing, but if I needed a strengthening spray, then I would use that instead. A link to an ebook that contains all of my favorite pH balanced holistic liquid leave-in hairsprays can be found below. It contains information about how to do strand testing, scalp testing, the benefit of each and every ingredient within the recipes, and so much more information. So again, that will be linked below. Going in with what I like to call my liquid gold. Yep, my natural holistic scalp oil. I'm going to apply a small amount to my scalp and massage it in really well. Listen, the way this oil makes my scalp feel, it's just divine. Now, I'm going to seal in all of that hydration on my hair strands with my hair's favorite oil, which is organic castor oil. Feel free to use whatever your hair loves. Lastly, I'm applying my homemade shea butter. A link to how I made it can be found right here. It will also be linked in the description. So this is the lock or the LOC method, so liquid, oil and cream, but your hair may prefer the LCO method, which is where you apply the liquid first, then the cream and then the oil. My hair is high porosity and has always favoured the lock method. Just remember to listen to your hair so that you're able to do what works best for you. You can see just how simple my moisturization method is. No fancy expensive products, no synthetic ingredients, just back to using what my ancestors used to use. Sometimes we have to go back in order to move forward, if you know what I mean. For me personally, I feel like the marketing of synthetic natural hair care products sucked me in. I was led to believe that those manufactured products was what I needed in order to grow out healthy, strong hair. But you know, that is what marketing is designed to do. They discover the problems of what we are faced with, for example, dry hair, slow growth, breakage, etc., etc. They watch those of us who have found a solution to our problems, such as utilizing ingredients like shea butter, coconut oil, aloe vera. Then they provide us with their version of a solution that contains the ingredients our hair loves, but they're mixed in with ingredients that aren't so good or beneficial for our hair, such as synthetic fragrances or drying alcohols. I mean, the list goes on. Now, of course, we all have the right to purchase whatever products we want to use on our hair. I would only ask that you be mindful of what you are using, okay? This series was about me helping you to build your all-natural hair care regimen from scratch and proving to you that your hair can absolutely thrive off of all natural ingredients. So I'm here to help those of you who want to go down that path. I'm not here to judge anyone who chooses not to. If you have any video requests that you would like me to film in the future, please do let me know in the comments. I love to hear them and I always try my best to film your requested videos, so please do let me know. I also want to thank all of you who have continued to support my channel by subscribing, watching and commenting on my videos. Your support means more to me than I can even put into words. This community is growing and I'm sincerely grateful for that. If you've made it this far into the video, I've got something really special to share with you. You are the first to know that I'm officially launching my one-to-one holistic hair care coaching program. This is about real healthy hair transformation, and I'm going to help you take everything you've learned throughout this 5-part series and turn it into a personalized, results-driven journey designed specifically for you, your hair needs and your personal schedule. You'll also have direct access to me for weekly or monthly support through Zoom and WhatsApp, so you'll never have to figure things out on your own. But here's the thing, I only have 12 spots available at the time of me filming this video, so if you are truly ready to experience holistic hair transformation, now's the time to act. To secure your spot, just click the link in the description and book your completely free one-to-one consultation call with me, and let's build your natural hair regimen and begin your healthy hair transformation together. So I really do hope that you found this series helpful. Please let me know if you found it helpful. Let me know if you're going to be incorporating anything that I mentioned to you within those 5 episodes. Let me know, babe. Keep me informed. Okay, I want to know what's going on because I'm nosy. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I really, really do appreciate you being a part of this community. Peace, love, light, and blessings to you and yours. And I look forward to seeing you again in the next one. Take care.